Hello, my name is Saloni. I'm a graduate and I joined MOKSH in 2020. It was quite an amazing and good experience with MOKSH. I thoroughly enjoyed learning here. The teachers on this platform are really great and helpful. The idea of making mistakes here and then learning from them, being not discouraged and encouraging to make mistakes was really good. I really enjoyed it. I could learn a different side of me. Also the question and answer discussion was really good. I learned how to approach questions in a different way. It was quite helpful. I learned the different ways of looking at a question and answering it. The AMA sessions were also good. The advisors really helped me whenever I had a doubt, be it regarding my self-doubts or regarding any questions or regarding how to go ahead with my syllabus or anything. They were quite helpful. I would also like to thank Chirag sir for being so encouraging and supportive during my entire journey. Thank you for helping me out in the CV sessions as well as motivating me when I was in my lowest point. And also I would like to thank Ritu and Bharti for responding to all my queries, be it technical or regarding any classes, and it was a great experience. Thank you so much.